Hello everyone. Now I have one more question for you guys. Suppose there is one switch and it has some port like F0 by 1, F0 by 2, and F0 by 3, and F0 by 4. And I'm trying to assign this port into the VLAN number 10. So what will happen? And first things, what are the command to assign into the VLAN 10? So what is the first command that I need to use? Interface range F0 by 1 to 4 switch port mode access command and switch port access VLAN 10. My first question, is this command mandatory to assign a port inside to VLAN number 10? This is the question for you guys. I need a reply in the comment section. Second point, this command, what it is going to do basically, this command is going to just assign the port inside the VLAN 10. That means into the VLAN 10, all the port is going to become the member of the VLAN 10. But think about that, if VLAN 10 doesn't exist on the switch, we are trying to assign the port inside the VLAN and that VLAN doesn't exist on that particular switch. So what will happen with those ports? So in that case, guys, it's just going to give you the warning message, access VLAN does not exist and creating VLAN number 10, and these port is going to become the member of VLAN 10. So that means first, it's not necessary we need to create the VLAN first, and then after that we need to assign the port inside the VLAN. If we are directly going to assign the port inside the VLAN, the port VLAN will create automatically. But again, the question is, if this switches into the client mode, then what will happen? This switches into the VTP client mode. That means we don't have this switch don't have a capability to create the VLAN, but it has the capability to assign the port inside the VLAN. So what will happen with these ports? So these port, if it is in client mode, these port will be moved inside the VLAN 10, but the VLAN, due to the VLAN inactive, these port will be into the down state. That means whatever the user is there, they will not able to communicate. Suppose user A, B, and C and D, these are the users. They have the IP address for the same subnet, but still they will not able to make the communication because of they are into the VLAN number 10, but the VLAN 10 is inactive. So what will be the status of this port? The port will be into the down state, basically. Got it? So that's the first question that can be asked in the interview. If you are the user and you are just going to assign support inside the VLAN, and that VLAN doesn't exist on switch, what will happen? Obviously, you'll be give the answer. That switch will give us the warning message and create the VLAN number that access VLAN exactly. But then again, what can be the next question? The next question can be, if that switch is into the VTP client mode, then what will happen with those ports? So your answer should be, those port will become the member of that access VLAN, but the port will be into the down state because of the VLAN is inactive. Thank you guys.